Hi, I'm Dylan with AmeriDri Restoration, here to talk to you about one of our most critical services, emergency water damage restoration. Whether it's from a burst pipe, flooding, or an appliance failure, we're here to help restore your property quickly and safely. Let's take you through our process step by step. Our first step in any water damage situation is to identify all affected areas. We use specialized equipment like moisture meters and thermal meters to detect hidden water in walls, floors, and ceilings. This allows us to find moisture that might not be visible to the naked eye. Then, we begin water extraction using our powerful truck-mounted vacuum system. This equipment allows us to efficiently remove large amounts of water from carpets, rugs, and floors. Once the standing water is extracted, we assess the extent of the damage to porous materials like drywall, flooring, and padding. Any unsalvageable materials are carefully removed to prevent mold growth and structural damage. We remove soaked padding and lift the carpets to prepare for the drying process. Next, we place air movers and dehumidifiers throughout the area to dry out moisture trapped in walls, floors, and other surfaces. The air movement and humidity control helps speed up the drying process and prevent mold. Over the next 2 to 4 days, we'll closely monitor the drying process, adjusting equipment to ensure that everything is drying properly. For the final step, we sanitize the entire affected area to eliminate bacteria and contaminants that may have been left behind. We also use air scrubbers to filter out any remaining particles and improve air quality. And that's how we restore your property after water damage. At AmeriDri Restoration, we've been helping homes and businesses recover quickly and safely for over 30 years. If you experience water damage, call AmeriDri Restoration immediately. We're here to help 24/7.